Guys, look at Snapchat. Let's take a look at Snapchat. This is nuts. This is nuts what just happened, guys. With ever since the Facebook earnings came out, guys, Facebook took everything down with it, but what a bounce back off, guys. So we need to talk about Snapchat. You guys see the graph, what it says right now? 54% up for today. Well, guess what? If you followed the channel, guys, I bought Snapchat yesterday. I bought it at the dip. So when the Facebook earnings came out, Facebook dropped 25%. And it took a lot of things down with it. It took Twitter down. It took Snapchat down. It took a bunch of stocks down with it. Snapchat went through a 20% decline yesterday. You see it from here. It was trading at $32. And then Facebook's earning came out, guys, and kaboom, it dropped. Well, Snapchat had their earnings yesterday. And their earnings for Snapchat were really good, actually. They were not bad. They did good. Snapchat is doing well. And it jumped. It jumped, guys. It jumped 60%. It's crazy what just happened within the past 24 hours. Dropped 20%, guys, by last night when I got off of work, guys, and when I checked, it was up 60% for the day. It was up 60%. So let's take a look at how much I bought it at and what I sold it at. I already sold it, guys, because such a quick profit I think should be locked in, even though this was a really good buy. So guys, I bought 350. I bought 200. You guys could see it on February 3rd. I bought two times, $200 and then 150. And if you look, I bought at 24.40. Let's take a look at how much I sold it at. Well, it's simple. I sold 350. I sold for $490. So I made $140 off of it within one day. I sold at 34.59. Now I did keep going up, guys, a little bit. I didn't want to take a chance. It did come back actually quite a bit, $37, which is fine, guys. It's fine. I locked it in. I'm super happy. I'm not going to buy Snapchat at this price at this point, clearly, because I just sold it. But if it did, I mean, a 50%, 54% incline, I could see this drop back down next week. The earnings came out. Earnings were really good, beat expectation, which was awesome. I could see Snapchat maybe drifting back down because people are probably going to want to lock in this 54% in profit. So whoever bought yesterday and is looking at a 54% profit today, they're probably going to think about selling. Probably. That's what I did, guys, just to lock it in. To me, it was just safe. I could have made maybe a little bit more. After hours, I hit $200 of profit, and then as soon as the market opened up, guys, it just pre-market just came back down. I didn't want the thing to do a flash crash, so I sold as soon as it opened up. That was my plan. It is almost at $38, guys, though. It keeps going. It keeps going quite a bit, man. So really cool on Snapchat. Facebook, guys, let's talk about Facebook super quick, because what is Facebook doing? I put $100, guys, on Facebook. I didn't put much. I put $100 on it just to keep an eye, really. 120 maybe. I'm down 1%. I'm down 1% on it. I bought it at the dip when it was super low. It will come back up. I'm not worried at all about this. I'm pretty sure that this will be in the profit by next week. It should be. DocuSign coming back up to everything's kind of drifting back up, guys. We're getting some green days. Yesterday there was that flash crash, and I bought some DocuSign, guys. I'm pretty sure. How much did I buy it at, though? How much did I buy it at? Maybe not the best price, though. On the 3rd, 114. And we're actually trading right now 118. So we're in the green on it. In the green, it brought my average cost down a little bit lower. I was around 140 something. Now we're at 131, which is good for DocuSign. So not bad. All the money that I put in, guys, I've added at least $1,000 on stocks yesterday. Everything's in the green. Everything is in the green right now. So DocuSign. Twitter, I did not buy more. I bought some more DraftKings yesterday, guys. I bought a little bit more DraftKings, currently trading at 21.56. I bought it yesterday at 20.76. So $1 off of almost $1. Not bad. Not bad. It's a profit. Yesterday was just such a flash crash, guys, that in my mind it's just you couldn't go wrong. Couldn't really go wrong. I bought more Roblox too. I'm going to show you guys Roblox. I put a little bit more, guys, because it dipped. I really think that Roblox is a good company on long term. Where is it? So I only put $100 more, just because it was I thought it was at a good buying price, but it didn't dip like crazy, like it did on Snapchat, like it did on Facebook. So I put most of the money that I had available on those companies, but I did put a little more on Roadbox. I put $100 at 61.59, and you guys could see it's in the green. It's in the green by a couple dollars, by at least, yeah, a couple percent. So really good stuff, guys. I have been thinking about selling a little bit of Robinhood, and I told you guys this around $14.50, $15. I think we're gonna hit a resistance on Robinhood. We went through, if you look, guys, the past week, Robinhood is up 18%, but from the ultimate low that it hit, we're up almost 50%. It hit $9, guys, the upper $9. It was almost at $10. We're at $15 right now. So that's a 50% incline within a week. So it would not surprise me if we see a decline. So I'm really thinking about selling actually today a little bit of Robinhood, maybe $500 worth, around $15. If it could spike back up a little bit, around the upper 15, I mean over $15, I'm gonna get rid of $500. I think it's just safe, and then if it drips back down under it around 14, I'll buy back in and keep bringing this average cost, which is at 15.6 now. Guys, I'm almost there. Average cost 15.6. If I could try to bring this back a little bit lower, it's now or never, guys, because Robinhood soon is going to go higher, and I don't think it's going to come back down soon. I think it's going to drift back up, and we're not going to see these low numbers that we, like $12, $11. It's not going to happen anymore. I don't think so. I really doubt. Maybe we'll hit under 14 again in around 13. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm betting my my sell on, and then buy back around 13 something. But I don't think that this is going to drop back down to 12. But you never know. Especially with this market right now, you never know. But I think we saw the lowest of the lowest on Robinhood. I think we're past that at this point. Guys, subscribe to the channel. We're getting closer to 1,000 subscribers. We will be able to get the channel monetized once we are at 1,000. So that would be really cool and helpful if you could subscribe, guys. It would really help the channel. And I'm out. Happy investing. Remember, I'm no financial advisor, guys. This is me investing my money, showing you guys what I'm doing with my money, and I'm trying my best. Okay? So happy investing. Put down in the comments if you have stocks that you got your eye on and that you would like for me to talk about. Put it down in the comments, and have yourself a beautiful day, guys. I'm out. Boom.